Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have a travel cup from Tefal. Now this one is of a perfect height for coffee machines. So if you're using an espresso machine or any other machine and you're planning to make an espresso shot, this will be perfect. So this has drinking area which is 360 degree, and here if you have a look at it, it has drink closure which is pill proof, open close like this, and ideal for home and travel, so you can see it at home and in your car. Perfect for cup holders, so the size is good. Now let me open it and show it to you. Yeah, so we have taken it out from here, and now this is the lid. If you take it out, this is a good one which can be rotated, like this area it rotates. Yeah, and then this is the size. Coffee, espresso. So this is like, a good grip, because this is rubber. So if it was like stainless steel, it would be a bit slippery, but this one gives you a good grip. And for a small hand like mine, it's perfectly fine. Okay, and here is the lid. Now once you close it, let me show it to you here. So this is done. Now this is how you have to rotate it. Okay, now this is closed, and if I rotate it like this is closed, and then this is open. Yeah, so you can have your coffee from any direction. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Easy to carry, easy to handle, and I'm gonna try it soon. You can also try it. I was looking for something with a small height, so this looks perfect to me, and it was not very expensive also. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. Stay updated and keep watching Get Updated Now.